This is relative market rank. Let's take Google as an example. I'll go into Signals and select relative market rank and relative market rank slope. Here we can see the RMR line. This basically shows how strong the stock is compared to the rest of the market. Right now, it's around 85, so that tells us Google is still one of the stronger names out there. In general, the higher this number, the stronger the stock. And anything above 80 usually means there's solid demand behind it. Now below that we have the slope. This is important because it shows direction, so not just if the stock is strong, but whether that strength is getting better or starting to fade. And right now we can see the slope turning higher, which means momentum is starting to pick up again. So putting it together, Google is already relatively strong, and now we're seeing that strength improve again. That's usually where things get interesting. Also, quick tip, for easier use, I just add RMR as a column here. So I don't have to open each chart. I can quickly scan everything in one place, and here you can see the stronger names are highlighted in green, so it's very easy to spot leaders right away. That's it for today's market update. Thank you for watching. Subscribe or sign up to our research, and don't forget to do your own research.